Hi guys, welcome to Johan's Toy World. Today I got a new toy. It's called a flying jet with a remote control. This is the joysticks. If you press this button, it will do a 360 flip. If you press this button, it will increase the speed. And if you press this button, it will land. And if you press this button, it will turn around. So let me bring the jet. Ready for takeoff? Now let me increase the speed. Oh, wow. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Like and subscribe and bye.